Hey, welcome back to Electrically Constructed. I'm Master Electrician Seth Eckel, and this is our fourth video in our Raceway calculation series. Alright, today we are going to be going over Raceway nipples 24 inches or less. This is one of the more useful rules in the Raceway calculations, so get out your code book and get it to chapter 9. We're going over note 4 today. Alright, let's get our code books open, chapter 9 tables. And let's go to note 4. Okay, note 4 says where conduit or tubing nipples, not including connectors, have a maximum length not to exceed 24 inches, are installed between boxes, cabinets, and similar enclosures, the nipples shall be permitted to be filled to 60%. All right, so that means right there that table 1, cross-sectional area, max percentage of 53, 31, and 40. Those do not apply to nipples 24 inches or less. And then it says, well, you can use 60% fill for nipples. So that's a huge advantage right there. Let's keep going. And 310.15c1 adjustment factors need not apply to this condition. Let's go ahead and jump to 310.15c1. So 310.15c1 adjustment factors for more than 3 current carrying conductors. So this is huge. This is a real big advantage for pulling wires through nipples 24 inches or less, because this means that we can pull the full 60% fill, and we do not have to adjust the ampacity for the conductors that are moving through it. This is a table we're going to get into a little bit more in the next few videos, but I just want to show it to you now. But this is a very important table, and we'll go over it more thoroughly in the next few videos. All right, let's go back to chapter 9, note 4. So yeah, the two most important advantages to using nipples is the 60% fill rule and not having to use adjustment factors on your ampacity for the conductors that you're pulling through those nipples. All right, so let's go to table 4 in our code book, and let's just stick with EMT. So when you go to table 4, you'll see it already has a column for a 60% fill. So when you have nipples 24 inches or less, you can size it just like we do over 2 wires, the 40% fill. The same way, you use the long calculation if you have mixed conductors. So let's do a quick example here. Let's go to table 5, THHN, and let's see. All right, I put an example together for number 10s. So basically, how many 10s you want to pull through your Raceway? I said I want to pull 24 through my Raceway, so you just take the calculation, 24 times 2 or 0.0211, because that's the size of the number 10 conductors. You get 0.5064. You take that answer and you go back to table 4 and you look what is the smallest size 0.5064 can fit in under the 60% column, and you go down, you see that's 1 inch, a 1 inch Raceway. I can fit all 24 10 gauge conductors in that 1 inch Raceway. That's a big difference between the 40% fill at 0.346 all the way up to 0.519. And then on top of that, our number 10 gauge conductors don't have to be corrected with the ampacity. So let's go to 310.16. All right, so this is another table I just want to quickly show you guys, get you guys a little more familiar with it. This is one of the most important tables in the code book, and we're going to go over this in the next few videos as well, but I just wanted to show this to you, especially for this example here. I want to point out, so 10 gauge conductors, We got 30 amps that number 10s are allowed to have for ampacity, and we do not have to adjust that with all 24 wires going through the nipple. So those 10 gauge conductors can carry 30 amps in that Raceway. But in the next few videos, like I said, we're going to go over this and really speak to this a lot more so that all this stuff makes a lot more sense, because this table and this table matter a lot, and you're going to use them a lot as electricians. All right, let's go back to chapter 9. All right, so that's note 4, nipples 24 inches or less. I got some slides I want to just share with you guys real quick. So I'm going to have these, again, I'm going to put them in my posts on my channel for you guys to have easy access to. This one's just a nice visual of what the nipple rule is, 60% fill. I also have a challenge question for you guys that you guys can answer and put in the comments. My challenge question for this video is, what are the 2 big code advantages of a nipple 24 inches or less? Now, we discussed this in the video, so you guys should figure that out pretty easily, and I will answer this at the beginning of my next video. And the last thing I got for you is key takeaways. So just remember, a nipple is a short raceway between enclosures. Note 4 applies to nipples 24 inches or less. Qualifying nipples may be filled to 60%. 310.15 C1, adjustment factors do not apply to nipples 24 inches or less. Over 24 inches, you have to go back to table 1, maximum fill rule. So make sure you understand all this. If you understand all this, you're going to have a big advantage when it comes to using nipples in Raceway fill. All right, that's it. That's what I got for you guys today. I hope it all made sense, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Stay sharp, never stop learning, and God bless.